This video documents my personal journey with the magical healing powers of nature. Like everyone else, my life is full of ups and downs. The recent hurricanes only added to this stress. Our family did okay and is safe. For this, we are grateful. So many folks were not as fortunate as we were. My thoughts and prayers go out to them. This 6-day adventure describes how the forest healed me. It was awesome. It was also exciting to meet others who were also experiencing the healing forest. Camp is set up on Lake Travis at Pace Bend Park. This is a really peaceful location. I will be able to see the sunrise in the morning, and there's a field right behind me where there are wildflowers and butterflies, and I want to just meditate there and be at peace with nature and simply relax. Ah, the water's boiling. I have dried mushrooms in this, and I'm going to then add it to beef stroganoff, Mountain House meal. And so, by combining this, it's even better. Man. Now this is a 2-person meal, and so I'm going to be using it for another night also. Put that right over here. I'm going to put the fire out. We don't need it to heat anymore. That way I can use it for another night. Right in here. And let it slowly cool off. It soon will be dinner time. Bon appetit! Beef stroganoff with mushrooms, and for dessert, fresh cherries. Would you like to have the first bite? Oh, it's so good. If you just add a few things to an ordinary Mountain House meal, it changes the way it tastes, and it just becomes something special. Try it, you'll like it. Well, this has been a fun day. I enjoyed it when I got to the park. Nice places to sit down and look at the flowers and relax. And I got this really neat spot next to the lake here. You can hear the crickets. So cool. It's comfortable, although it was a little challenging today, you know. Gas supplies are not very good. And I had to go to 6 gas stations before I found one that had gas. People are hoarding it, you know, because some of the refineries are offline right now. But there's plenty of gas. It's just that the supplies will be here soon. So that was fun. Finally found enough gas, and I'll be headed on down to the next site, and hopefully we'll be at Garner State Park tomorrow around noon, and setting up there and spend several days. Should be a blast. Anyway, sweet dreams, guys. See you in the morning. I don't have any fancy cameras out to look at the stars, but I think we'll have a good sunrise to look at in the morning. Sweet dreams. Good night. Well, my campsite's ready. It just was vacated by the previous people. And I'm site number 16, and I'll be right over there. I'm so excited. Just back right in there. And there's even a trail right behind it. Time to head down to the beach. Can't wait to swim in that cool water. Now this area over here is where all the fireflies are at night. That's a really awesome area to look at night. Yes, yes. Well, I could hang a hammock across those right there and be in the, above the water. So I have to be mindful that there are snakes here, and there are other little critters that might try to bite me, like mosquitoes, but this is such an awesome little place. I could just sleep in the swamp. So cool. My water hammock. This is so awesome. It even comes with a bug screen. No mosquitoes. And I have an automatic evaporation cooler so I can stay cool. This is just great. Man, I could sleep in here all night. It probably should be a little bit higher, but it's neat, man. And this bug screen keeps the mosquitoes out, so it's so cool. This is relaxing. The water's nice and warm, very comfortable. Dinner is served. Rice and vegetables and chicken with fajitas, chips, orange, and then a wonderful drink. I'm sitting in a field of Turk's cap. These are edible. They're just awesome. The flowers taste like candy. The fruit even tastes more like candy. And the young leaves are also edible. They're like a salad. I'll put my hammock between one tree there and another on the other side. So I'll be sleeping amongst this wonderful place, and it's right next to the campsite that I'm assigned. Bon appetit! This is so good. It's really, really simple. Try it. You'll like it. Where's Ken's hammock? I don't see it. Let me look around. I guess he hasn't put his hammock up yet. I don't know. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, there may be a hammock. It's still in plain view. Awesome. this is so comfy. It's been a long day, but I've enjoyed it. And this spot is just the best ever. Look, even at night I could look out and look at the garden. Wow. Just the neatest ever. The advantage of a hammock, you don't squash all the plants under it. You just have to be careful where you walk. Sweet dreams, guys. Oh, I can't wait to see the morning. With all the things to do around here, places to look, to swim, to hike. Gonna be a lot of fun. And sleeping like this, just right among the flowers, just so awesome. nice and cool in here. I won't bother you. I know you're on a mission. You're busy catching things to eat, huh? This is your home. You came out? Are you going to find another little place to stay? You're a good little cave toad. Yes, you are. I'm going to leave you alone. You have a good day, sir. Wow, this is so pretty. Can't believe how nice it is up here. It's just awesome. Join the meal. Come on, sit next to me. For lunch, sardines, some brownies, applesauce, and water. I'll start with the water. Would you like to have some? Why don't you sit right next to me? Mm. It's a long ways down. It is so nice. There's a cool, gentle breeze. Sure is beautiful on the top of Old Baldy. Not much wind today. I'm surprised. Usually it's really windy. Man, I love to swing my feet over the cliff. This is only a thunderstorm. I see some blue sky. It'll stop raining pretty soon. But man, look at it over here. It really is coming down. My hammock is drying. It dries really quickly. I could use it tonight, you know, even my shirts. No, my shirt's not quite dry. Backup plan. See that car? Let's go look at what I have set up. I always have something in the back, just in case. And I always choose the most comfortable place to sleep. Either it's outdoors, or, da-da-da-da, right here. Sleeping bag, nice pillow from home, nice pad. In fact, that's a regular bed. And so I can be comfortable in here, nice and dry. And when it gets nicer outdoors, then I'll go outdoors. Well, I'm going to go enjoy the evening. All of my hot meals during the last week were made with this homemade sterno stove kit. 1 can of sterno has lasted the whole week, and there's enough sterno left for maybe 5 or 6 more hot meals. I use a little riser that I made from a 1/2-inch hardware cloth to keep the cooking pot above the sterno. A windscreen is very important. Many people think that sterno doesn't put out much heat, but it does put out enough heat to easily boil water in a few minutes. The windscreen keeps the heat next to the container, so this is very important. I carry some aluminum foil with the kit so that I can put it under the sterno can to keep the ground cool. Also, in an emergency, This can be used as a windscreen. Well, bon appetit. Tangerines, hot coffee, and oatmeal. Well, I'm getting hungry. Would you like some oatmeal? Okay, I'll have it. That's so good. Bon appetit.